What's up, guys? Devin's Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. Somewhat of a weird, different video. I don't have any time this week to edit a video. I've been crazy busy, and I'm going on vacation. So I will edit a bunch of videos there and edit vacation videos by funny chance. So crazy, awesome videos the next probably 2-3 weeks. I'm getting those edited this weekend. But this week's video, today's video that you're watching right now, it's just going to be a time lapse of driving up the Nebo Loop, driving up Payson Canyon, and coming down Nephi Canyon. It's fall season right now. It's October. I literally did this drive today, and it's gorgeous up there. There's snow at the top. It's awesome. So, yeah, come along with the drive, and hopefully enjoy it. And right here we're stopping because there is a hike called the Grotto. We'll stop and we're gonna hike that and then we'll get back on the road. All right, hopefully you enjoyed that that video. It was lots of fun for me to drive it and just be able to see all the colors and see how my car does. I've never driven my car up that canyon, so it did pretty good. I mean, its engine braking kind of sucks, but it's a little tiny baby engine. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.